Struggling to price a job? Simply go to priceajob.us or priceajob.ca for access to nearly 200 estimating calculators and 3,000 images. We've used animated 3D computer graphics too, so you can check your design as you go. From floors to roofs, we've got you covered. Nearly 5,000 prices of materials are available from your nationwide suppliers, or you can add in your own material costs if you prefer. Use our interactive map to choose labor rates. Simply select your region or just type in your own rate. Add any trades you like. Then, maybe estimate the look on your partner's face when you start arriving home early. Create professional quotes, cover letters, legally binding contracts, materials lists, bills of quantities, profit reports, payment schedules, and so much more. There are a variety of templates that offer different designs for each customer and their requirements. You have the choice of simple or detailed quotations, including prices or without. You'll automatically see a good-to-go, impressive, and professional quote. Plus, there's an option to send the quotes or save to PDF, Word, or Excel. Can you imagine sending a professional quote to a client during your survey? All it takes is a couple of clicks. Thousands of building firms and users entrust us. Price a Job, your ultimate cloud-based quotation solution.